Hello, fellas, it's me Aryan Kumar, and today we are going to look up to another crucial topic that is all about allied angles. Now, what is allied angle? What are angles? You know what is angle. I don't have to dive into this deeply. Again, anything that has a particular direction is called a angle. Now, what type of angle it is? It is an allied angle. If you are a guy that is interested in maybe um, you can say model United Nations or something like uh, a conference of United Nations, then you might know that what is allied or something. If you are a political guy that often watches um, news and something, you might know what is allied. And if even not, the word allied is also used for group of people, group of something, group of maybe uh, fruits, anything. I don't know. Right. You can just consume it as whatever example you give to your mind. That is allied, a group of something. Now, what is that something? Is our angle. Okay. Our angle is that something. Now, they do have a constant value. There is a proper equation again that we haven't solved. Okay. Now n is represented by my allied angle. Okay, allied angle posture. Okay, this is a symbolic representation of allied angles. Then you have to multiply by its 90th degree. Okay. Then add and subtract your asked question. Suppose this is 20. Now, how will I get the answer? For suppose the question given is theta equals to 20 degree. Now, how will I consider this question to be solved for my furtherance? Now, let's just divide it to a lot of parts. I'll write the rules here. First of all, these are infinite. Okay, this is my first rule that can be applied here, that they will never end. Okay, they can be multiplied by this n, that can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, a lot of numbers. That is so called infinity. And on the other hand, you can utilize it on any way. You will start it initially from 0, then multiply 1, then multiply 2. The combination of answers at the end, for suppose 0 multiplied by 90 and my plus 20 gives me something around maybe 20 plus minus 20. Okay, that gives me 20. Now that 20 will be my combination of answers, that will be written in plus and minus. Okay, now similarly, um for one that can be a separate value. For suppose that is 320 something. Okay, for two it is 240. Similarly, you will continue the flow of this, okay, until you don't match your answer. Now of course there will be given options in the MCQ that select any one among these. Then you can just like maybe calculate it till the number third or fourth, and if it's matchable, if it's consumable for the question, you can just simply go ahead and select your desired answer. That is a simple thing that you have to focus upon. Now let's just solve a equation by doing this. Okay, my n is constant again. 90 is the given degree that we have to always solve. Now add and subtract both with the angle 60. Now my asked question is find the theta of 60 degree. How will I do that? Okay, the simple way to do this is okay, first of all start it with 0. 0 multiplied by 90, and you know that is 0 again, so you don't have to consider this. 0 plus minus 60, so called plus and minus 60 will be my answer. Similarly, on the other hand, you will move forward with the procedures. Okay, now you did this 0, n equals to 0 here. Okay, now put n equals to 1 here. That will be a bit complicated, but again very easy it is. Okay, n ones are, okay, n multiply by 90 and n is supposed to be 1, then it will give me 90 again. 90 plus and plus, okay, 90 plus 60, we'll add it first of all. That will give me around 150 something. And similarly, on the other hand, if I subtract the same value, okay, that will give me 30 as my answer. Now, these are my combination of answer or combustion of answers that it provided me initially at very start. Similarly, until you not match your answer, suppose it's plus minus 60, comma, then you have 150, okay, but afterwards you don't have any like answer in the given choice, then you can just simply solve it till the number one and choose your answer as this. Of course, the others one wouldn't match at this point because there is always one possible answer. If there are two or more than two possible answers, there isn't any condition that can be applied here for more than two answers. Okay, so that is how the allied angles work today. You can again just consider this as n as 2. Okay, sorry for um, misbehaving here. 2 multiply by again 90. You know that if I add 90 to 2, that will be 180 again, and 60 as my given value. 180 plus minus, okay, plus 60, that'll give me around 240 something. Yeah, yeah, it is 240. And if I similarly subtract that, I would get somewhere around 130. That is a basic answer. You can just consider this as a perfect example. Therefore, we ended our session today. Thank you for joining. I hope you for the best. Um, Thank you.